Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Hydrogen and Fuel Cells Europe here at the Hannover Messe 2023. I invite you all to please have a seat, have a drink. The hostesses are here to help you with anything, coffee, tea, you're welcome. All right, up next we'll have a very interesting talk about designed for the green hydrogen era, Electrolyser and the digital solutions. We have here with us today Hydo Tech CEO. Please welcome Dr. YAO.
Thank you. Hi everyone, it's a great honor to be here to present you our new technology about the electrolyzer and the digital solution designed for the new hydrogen era. And we are a global oriented and technology driven company. We have 4 offices, the first based in Beijing, and we also have a Germany office based in Düsseldorf, and we have manufacturing center in China, Nanjing, and a testing center in Mongolia. And let me also introduce our products offering. The first one is Hydrolyser. The topic today is an advanced alkaline electrolyzer, and it is used in several, like a decentralized green hydrogen production situation, and as well as green hydrogen plants. And we also have empowering our partner to build a hydrogen producing and filling station. And we also equipped with a hydrogen production system with Hydo, a digital management solution. We have offered this solution to the top oil companies and helps them to better manage their green hydrogen plants and the production systems. And for Hydo Tech, it is an interesting thing. This smart thing is a smarter hydrogen leakage sensor. The first generation, we have used it in Winter Olympics. It is an interesting story that this is the first time on Olympic history that use hydrogen as a torch gas. And we put the sensors underneath the stage to ensure the safety of the hydrogen torch. And after the Olympics, we developed it into a wireless version to use it in like labs and use it in refueling stations and the green hydrogen plants to ensure the safety of the operation of the hydrogen facilities. And now, what I want to talk about is green hydrogen industry. Now, actually, for globally different regions, it's a new scenario. And the green hydrogen first ever turns hydrogen from a chemical raw material to a green energy. So what we can see here is that green hydrogen industry actually need electrolysis technology to break through. First ever seen large-scale hydrogen electrolysis plants. This thing never happened before. And all the plants are connected to renewables like wind and solar power or water. They are very not stable. And we also require to get a higher conversion efficiency to reduce the cost of the hydrogen. And the last one is that the maintenance is also important. We're all eager to have a stable and long lifetime, robust electrolysis. But all these things are not achieved today because hydrolyzers now are facing a historical transformation. They used to be used in totally different scenarios, but for green hydrogen scenarios, it lacks a lot to the progress of the development as renewables. This is because most available commercial electrolyzers, actually they are not designed for green hydrogen scenarios. They basically are used in previous industry and operating in purely different applications. For example, as we all know, the pressurized alkaline electrolyzers, it was previously used in marine industry as an oxygen generator, and hydrogen is a byproduct. And we will also have atmosphere alkaline electrolyzer. It is previously used in clear alkaline industry, and they produce totally different product. This kind of electrolyzers is expensive in green hydrogen industry. It's because in previous industry, the cost of the ratio metal catalyst can be sustainable because the economy of that industry is workable. And for PEM electrolyzers, we all know it has a actually it's a counter-reaction of PEM-FC. So we change it from PEM-FC to PEM-EC, but you know FC for vehicles is mostly decentralized, which means it's a distributional scenario. But for green hydrogen, especially green hydrogen plants, it's more centralized. So we see PEM electrolyzers is a little bit expensive to use in large-scale green hydrogen production. So what did we think? That based on first principle, we are thinking of starting from the essential needs and the requirements from the end user and the green hydrogen scenarios. So we developed this new generation electrolyzer. We call it Hydrolyser. Let me introduce three key features. First of all, we use standardized cell, and then we packed it into a pressurized deck to offer a higher outlet hydrogen pressure for downstream users. Third, we offer a safe and smart system to better manage this system as well as a whole project. This is a machine. You can see the hydrolyzer equipped with standard cell, which means it can easily scale up. And we use hydraulic solution to install and repair it more efficiently. Actually, every single cell can be monitored on real time and changed or replaced within 24 hours. And with the standard cell, we call it Hydo cell, we can offer different solutions. With container, the hydrolyzer can vary from 250 kilowatts to 2.5 megawatts. And without containers, sometimes it is used in hydrogen plants. We offer a maximum 5 megawatts solution for single cell. And if you need a larger one, we integrate 4 hydrolyzers into a 20 megawatts solution. So Hydrolyser is now the world's first and the only one standardized pressurized cell. I think these two dimensions is important because standardization makes massive production and efficient installation possible. In previously, it is a customized chemical industrial device, but now it's a manufacturing. We call it, it's a much large-scale manufacturing. So standardized is a key feature. And the second dimension I mentioned is atmosphere and pressurized. Pressurized outlet hydrogen means it is more easily and friendly to different end usage. For example, to produce ammonia or methanol or used in filling stations, pressure is always preferable for the end users. As you can see, with this product, it can be used in decentralized hydrogen product plant. It can also used in hydrogen producing and fueling stations, and it also fits in the gigawatts green hydrogen plants. And the third technology we equipped with the system is a safe and smart system. As I have introduced before, the sensors, we can put it in the production system as well as other accessories on the project. And we also equipped with a digital management system. And on the management system, you can real-time monitor the safety situation of the whole project, even run advanced algorithms to help diagnose all the situations of this electrolyzer. This is an example. You can see for the real project, every single cell's condition can be monitored via this platform. So we can real-timely read the cell voltage and to analyze its healthy state to help better understand what's going on and help better management the whole energy solution as well as the maintenance situation. Behind all the new technologies we use here, actually, they are not that new, because we believe that product level innovation always comes from cross-industry innovations. You can see for the standard cell, actually, it is very common sense in battery industry. And for the BMS, what we call BMS is Battery Management System. It can monitor every cell in a lithium battery pack. And for CVM, it is a technology used in fuel cell engine. And we always use CVM to monitoring the every cell conditions in a fuel cell engine. And we think safety is very important, and we need to use some technologies to help better manage the safety condition. But for vehicle safety, we have a long history, develop active safety technologies and passive safety technologies. We also use it in our Hydrolyser. As the last one, as I just introduced the digital management platform. It's already used in many plants in Europe. It is from industrial IoT. So we're combining different technologies for our green hydrogen end users to present this new generation electrolyzer. And another product philosophy we are conducting is that we have two separate teams to develop software and hardware meantime. So we call it low coupling in development, but high cohesion in function for end users. You can see this is a case example. We developed the first generation of the Hydo cell and keep improving the performance and the production to get a better Hydo cell. And at the same time, we also developed the Hydosphere, the software management solution at the same time. So for the first time, this product present to our clients, it looks like this, and it's around last year, August. And at the same time, we keep optimizing the Hydo cell as well as the software. So we conduct an OTA for this Hydo cell. And I think it's the first time OTA in hydrogen production system industry. And then we have on-site upgrade for the cells. Then we get an upgrade cell and software OTA hydrolyzer to get a better performance for the same project. And our mission for Hydo Tech is empowering the green future. And we do have conduct many efforts for ESG towards the green future. I think our mission tightly combining with our business. We actually are empowering global clients by providing the green hydrogen technology and the solution to get a better environment. And we also think it is very important for social responsibility. So we do a lot to helping poverty and conducting universities and schools internship education. And we also think governance is important. So we keep perfecting our governance process and system and have conducting many trainings to promote the integrity culture. The last slide is about our context. Our stand is at booth B29, and happy to have you guys there, and we can talk more about Hydrolyser and our other digital solutions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, Dr. Yao.
Hi, thank you, Joris.
Unfortunately, we don't have much time for questions for the audience. I do have one question for you. What can we see at your stand?
Yeah, on our stand, we have present the Hydrolyser model there. You can see what I described, the standard cell and the pressurized stack and how it integrated together, and the digital solutions and cases. We have all illustrations and ready for you guys.
Thank you. Sounds like it's worth a visit for sure.
Thank you.
All right. Up next, high-performance heat exchangers for solid oxide fuel cells and electrolyzer systems. Here at 11:30 sharp. I'll see you then.